If you're a 1099 physician making strong income but still feel like money disappears faster than it should, this video is for you. Because the issue usually is not your income. The issue is that nobody taught you how to properly run the business side of being a high earning independent physician. And that can quietly cost you thousands every year through missed deductions, bad cash flow decisions, messy bookkeeping, and unnecessary financial chaos and stress. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 money mistakes I see 1099 physicians make all the time. And more importantly, what to do instead. Hi, everyone. I'm Stephen Lee, a CPA and a certified private wealth advisor. I help high earning 1099 physicians make smarter money decisions and reduce costly tax mistakes. And on this channel, we focus heavily on tax strategy for you 1099 physicians. Because once you move into that world, you're no longer just practicing medicine, you're also running a business. And this show is for educational purposes only, not specific tax, legal, or investment advice. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, treating your 1099 income like a paycheck. A lot of physicians move from W-2 to 1099, but keep thinking like an employee. Money comes in, bills get paid, and taxes get dealt later. This is one of the fastest ways to create financial stress. Because with 1099 income, remember, nobody is withholding taxes for you. Nobody is forcing structure, and nobody is protecting you from poor habits. So what happened? You have a strong month, you feel like you're ahead, you spend aggressively, and then quarterly taxes show up, and then they wreck all of your momentum. The fix is simple. You need to treat your 1099 work like a real business. That means you need a separate business account, a tax reserve system, a bookkeeping process, a clean bill pay system, and a regular cash flow review. Not random, not reactive, not last minute. Mistake number 2, mixing high income with messy bookkeeping. This is where a lot of high earners fool themselves. They think messy books, that's just an admin problem. But they're not. They're a money problem. If your books are messy, deductions get missed, payments get duplicated, contractors get forgotten, and then tax prep takes much longer, and your CPA works from bad data, and your planning gets much weaker. That means you're making big income with small business sloppiness. That is not a winning formula. And before I go any further, if you are a 1099 physician earning $350,000 or more each year, and you want help building a smarter tax strategy instead of guessing your way through S-Corp decisions, estimated taxes, retirement plans, and deductions, I offer a complimentary discovery call for qualified physicians. If that sounds like you, there's a link below to apply. This is not for everybody, but if you fit that profile and you want proactive tax planning, that is exactly what I help with. This video is sponsored by Melio. If you're a 1099 physician running a real business, one area that gets messy fast is bill pay and cash flow. And what I like about Melio is that it gives you a cleaner way to manage that. It's designed to help small businesses pay bills, manage payments, improve cash flow, and stay more organized from one platform. Melio is also positioned at being easy to set up. You can pay vendors by bank transfer or credit card. And in some cases, you can even use a credit card when the vendor doesn't normally accept cards. Now, there is a 2.9% fee for card payments. However, you can choose who covers that 2.9% fee. That flexibility can help with things like timing cash flow, avoiding late fees, and even earning card rewards, depending on how you use it. Melio also offers multiple same-day payment options, and your vendor does not need to sign up for Melio in order to get paid. That matters because the last thing you want is a tool that creates more friction instead of less. Another big plus is that Melio integrates with QuickBooks and Xero, which can help reduce manual entry and keep your books much cleaner. And one other point worth mentioning, Melio was acquired by Xero last year in 2025, So Melio is now a part of Zero. So if you want a simpler way to manage business payments and tighten up your back office systems, try Melio for free. I've included a link in the description below, and schedule your first payment today. Now back to the content. Mistake number 3, paying bills whenever they feel urgent. A lot of physicians pay bills emotionally. They log in, they see an invoice, and then they pay it immediately. No system, no visibility, no cash flow strategy. That's a problem, because cash flow is not just about how much money you make. It's also about when money leaves your accounts. If you want to run a healthy business, you need to know what is due, when it's due, what can be scheduled, what needs approval, and what should be reviewed first. Otherwise, your financial life turns into constant reaction mode. That is not how high-income professionals should operate. Mistake number 4, ignoring contractor compliance. A lot of physicians focus only on their own taxes, but then they hire a virtual assistant, a biller, a marketing contractor, a bookkeeper, a content editor, an admin assistant. And they never properly organize the Form W-9s, payment records, contractor tracking, and year-end 1099 reporting. Then January shows up and everything is a mess. This is one of those boring areas that people neglect because it doesn't feel urgent until it is. And if your back office process is weak, tax season becomes far more painful than it needs to be. Mistake number 5, thinking more income solves everything. This is probably the biggest mistake. A lot of physicians assume the answer is always to make more. Not necessarily. Sometimes the better answer is to run a tighter business and keep more of what you already earn. That means cleaner books, stronger tax planning, better cash flow, fewer late or missed payments, fewer administrative mistakes, and more visibility into where money is actually going. The physicians who build real wealth are usually not the ones making the flashiest decisions. They're the ones who create strong systems and avoid mistakes over and over again. And here's a practical reset. If you're listening to this and realizing things are much more disorganized than they should be, here's where I would start. Step 1 is separate business and personal accounts completely. Step 2, create a tax reserve process. Step 3, clean up bookkeeping monthly, not quarterly or yearly. Step 4, centralize your bill pay. And step 5, review contractor compliance before year end. And then step 6, build a real tax strategy, not just tax filing. That is how you move from being a high earner with chaos to a high earner with control. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe. I put out content specifically for high income 1099 physicians who want to reduce taxes, make smarter business decisions, and keep more of what they earn. And if you are a 1099 physician making $350,000 or more each year in 1099 income, and you want professional help with proactive tax planning, there's a link below to apply for a complimentary discovery call. We'll see if you're a fit, talk through where you may be overpaying, and identify whether there's a real planning opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.